Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okemute. If it's your first time here, hello, thank you for joining the family. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this look. Started off by priming my face with my NYX Angel Veil Primer, and I went in with my Milani foundation in the shade Golden Toffee. This used to be my favorite drugstore foundation, but I stopped using it and I just found it and I'm like, okay, let's try it one more time. So I'm going to be applying that with my foundation brush, and when I was done applying my foundation and blending all of that in, I went in with my LA Girl concealer in the shade Chestnut and Fun, and I applied that on the parts that I wanted to be highlighted, under my eyes, my forehead, under my cheekbone, my chin, and all of that good stuff. And I went on to use my beauty blender to blend all of that. When I was done blending the concealer in, I went in with my Zara Cosmetics loose powder in the shade LZ10. I used that to set all the parts that I highlighted, and I used a brush today, and I later went in with a beauty blender. And when I was done with that, I went in with my Zara Cosmetics face definer in the shade PZ20. I'm going to be using that to contour my face and add some extra snatch. I just say snatched, oh my god, and add some extra snatched. Applying the setting powder, I went on to blend everything out with my powder from Colourpop Cosmetics in the shade Deep Dark, and then I went into my Makeup Revolution chocolate eyeshadow palette. I used the light brown shade in there as my transition shade on my crease, and when I was done with that, I went in to use a light pink shade from the same palette on my lid. I wanted the eyeshadow to be really simple, so I just used that on my lid. Then I went back in to use like a burnt gold, I think, whatever that color is called. I used that in the middle part and just blend it into the pink eyeshadow, and then I went back to use the same transition shade that I used earlier to blend everything together. Like I said, I wanted the eyeshadow to be really simple, nothing special. And when I was done with that, I went on to line my eyes with my Inglot gel liner in the shade Black. I just created like a nice smooth Straight to the fun part of the day. I'm going to be creating a masquerade mask with the same Inglot gel liner that I used earlier, and at this point I'm just going to leave you guys to watch me do it, because I'm not sure I'll be able to explain to you guys how I did it, but you will definitely understand by watching me do it. To line my lips with my Zaron lip pencil in the shade Stallion. Then I went in with my Milani lip stain in the shade Amore. And this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys like it. I know it's a bit different from what you guys are used to seeing me do, but hey, there's no harm in trying new things. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and also do not forget to give the video a thumbs up if you do like the video, and hey, encourage your sister by subscribing. See you in my next video, guys.